How you doing, guys? Nick from Jersey Tactical. We're showing the raking motion on the responder. A lot of departments are interested in this, but they want to know a little bit more detailed operations that we have with our responder. We're going to slide it between the door jamb and the door, just right above the latch, and we pull it down to the latch. So it's almost compromised right now. Just a little wiggle like that pulled it open. We slide this in, we put it over the latch, and there's one of three operations. One is just pulling it. That'll open the door. Two is if it's a little stiffer, we wiggle it like this, get the door open. And three, if it's real tough, we'll pry, and if we pry up, what it's going to do is hit that door stop, and it's going to pry it up that way. We could also do the same thing from underneath. So what we have here is a latch with a dead latch pin. So when that's engaged, this latch doesn't move. When it's not engaged, it'll move in and out. Okay, so now what we do is we have to create some kind of gap. And the way I do it is you just shove the prying end of the responder, and you see there's a lot of give in that door jamb. We'll put the PPW in. Any kind of wedge will work, a wooden wedge. If you don't care if you're quiet or not, you could tap that in if you want. So what we have now is, if you could zoom in, the dead latch pin gave, and you're going to see where I could be able to slide it now. See, now it open? It's completely open. So the only thing left is you could take this out and it just opens right up just like that.